Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm talking about walnut oil. You've probably munched on walnuts and know they're good for you, but have you ever considered their oil? It's not just for fancy salad dressings. This stuff is a nutritional powerhouse packed with incredible health benefits. So, grab a notepad and let us explore why walnut oil deserves a prime spot in your kitchen and your wellness routine. First up, let's talk about heart health. This is where walnut oil truly shines. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Our bodies can't produce ALA on their own, so we have to get it from our diet. Why is this so important for your heart? Well, ALA helps reduce inflammation, which is a major driver of heart disease. It can also help lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while maintaining or even boosting good HDL cholesterol. Think of it as a cleaning crew for your arteries. Regular consumption has been linked to lower blood pressure and improved blood vessel function, making your entire cardiovascular system happier and healthier. Just a small amount each day can make a significant difference in protecting your most vital organ. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. Your brain is a huge fan of walnut oil too. The brain is about 60% fat, so it needs healthy fats to function optimally. The omega-3 in walnut oil are critical for building brain and nerve cells. Studies have shown that a diet rich in these healthy fats can support cognitive function, improve memory, and enhance learning abilities. It's like fuel for your thoughts. Furthermore, the powerful antioxidants in walnut oil, like elagitannins, help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. This protective effect may play a role in reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. So, if you're looking to stay sharp and focused, adding a little walnut oil to your diet could be a brilliant move. Now, let's talk about something we all care about: our skin. Want that healthy, radiant glow? Walnut oil might be your new best friend. Its rich content of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids helps maintain the skin's structure and barrier function, locking in moisture and keeping irritants out. This can lead to smoother, more hydrated skin. The antioxidants we mentioned earlier, along with vitamins B and E, also fight off the free radicals that contribute to fine lines, wrinkles, and aging. It's not just about consuming it either. Applying a small amount of walnut oil topically can help soothe dry, irritated skin and may even help with conditions like eczema. It's a natural, nourishing treat for your skin, both inside and out. Moving on, let's discuss inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many modern health problems, from arthritis to certain types of metabolic syndrome. By incorporating it into your diet, you can help your body naturally manage and reduce its inflammatory response. This can lead to less joint pain, reduced stiffness, and an overall feeling of well-being. Instead of just reacting to pain, you're proactively giving your body the tools it needs to keep inflammation in check. It's a simple, delicious way to support your body's natural defense system. And here's a benefit that might surprise you: better sleep. Have you ever struggled with restless nights? Walnut oil contains melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycles. While the amount isn't as high as a supplement, consuming foods that naturally contain melatonin can help support your body's own production and regulation. A balanced sleep cycle is crucial for everything from mood and energy levels to immune function and metabolic health. A little drizzle of walnut oil on your evening meal could be a tasty, subtle nudge towards a more restful night's sleep. Let's not forget about blood sugar control. For those concerned about managing blood sugar levels or reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, walnut oil shows great promise. Research suggests that the polyunsaturated fats in walnuts and walnut oil can improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively to shuttle glucose from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. By helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, walnut oil can be a valuable addition to a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet, helping to prevent those energy-draining spikes and crashes. So, how do you actually use this amazing oil? It's important to know that walnut oil has a relatively low smoke point, which means it's not the best choice for high-heat cooking like frying. Heating it too much can destroy its delicate fatty acids and create a bitter taste. Instead, think of it as a finishing oil. It has a rich, nutty flavor that's absolutely delicious. Drizzle it over salads, roasted vegetables, or pasta. Stir it into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a nutritional boost. You can even use it in dips like hummus or mix it into a vinaigrette. A simple dressing of walnut oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt is heavenly. A tablespoon a day is a great place to start to reap its benefits. Now, a quick note on storage. Because of its delicate polyunsaturated fats, walnut oil can go rancid more quickly than other oils. To keep it fresh and preserve its health benefits, it's best to store it in a cool, dark place. The refrigerator is an ideal spot. This will help protect it from light and heat, extending its shelf life and ensuring you get all that nutritional goodness in every drop. In conclusion, walnut oil is so much more than just a gourmet ingredient. It's a functional food that offers a wide array of powerful health benefits, from protecting your heart and boosting your brain power to giving you glowing skin and helping you sleep better. This versatile oil is a true wellness warrior. It's an easy and delicious way to get more anti-inflammatory omega-3 into your diet and support your long-term health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up a bottle. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to give walnut oil a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Drop a comment below and let me know if you already use walnut oil or what your favorite way to use it is. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.